Marco. What are you doing? Marco. No, you're supposed to fucking say Polo.
Polo.
Thank you. Marco.
Polo.
He looks.
I'm not supposed to say anything.
Oh yeah, you're Helen Keller. So I just have to swim in circles. What's wrong with you there?
Polo.
I was supposed to go in circles, not you.
Oh my god.
there's a counter there. MLK. Wait. Look at those little hot dog nipples. What are you making?
A treat.
For?
Us. Yum, yum, yum. Wiener schnitzels in a can. I mean, in a bowl.
Blah.
A bowl.
Hey, ho!
Ho!
No, did the thing earlier with the cereal.
Syrup.
Ho!
Yo!
Yeah, there it is.
Is that right? Ho!
Kiki meow meow! Kiki! Don't make me come fucking find you. Oh, there you are. I see you in the camera. I see you fucking around doing like you usually do. There's a cat.
Wasn't even closed.
Well, that's because you're you.
Say it. I want you to say it.
I'm fucking coming after you, cat. Where you going? Where the fuck did you go? You're under here, aren't you? Get the fucking light on. I'll find you. Are you under here? It's not. Kitty! Cat's gone.